we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
So, ito ngayon guys, ang aftermath ng blizzard kahapon. Sobra, tingnan nyo. So, dito gawa na lang sila ng konting madaanan. Papunta ron. At yung mga sasakyan nila andyan pa rin na hindi pa makaalis-alis dahil sobrang dami ng snow. Sobrang lalim ng snow, so madaming iso-shovel. So, dito kami ngayon dito. So, as you can see, So, I'm gonna go wait my Uber over here. And si Lola nahihirapan. Are you having a hard time, isn't it?
Just enjoy that.
Snow is very crispy now because right now the temperature is -16. So goes to cold again. So right now, okay na kasi nag-shovel na sila dito na medyo madadaanan. Ayun. So dito tayo maghihintay ng Uber. Bakit may paramedic dito? May nagkakaroon ng heart attack. Good morning.
Are we here for you?
Pardon? No. Somebody else. Wala pa yung Uber ko. So, nito na ako guys sa Uber.
Sorry?
And I'm heading out to 15 Arlington Way.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. Your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good.
See, this is Arlington Way look like. Tons of snow. There's the driveway over there. Mountains of snow, guys. Grumps. Tingnan yung snow, Mala Mountain. Oh my God. Winter Wonderland. Whew. Allah, look at that. Sus, Ginoo. And Mala Mountain, nice snow over there. Yung sinobel ng maintenance people. Oh my gosh. Hello guys. So, nandito ako sa bahay ng mga Tebs. As usual, my private client. She's doing okay. And I'm just gonna show you guys the aftermath of the blizzard yesterday. So, look at these mountains of snow. So, as you can see, that's the main road over there where the car was running. And these are the Mang Tebs neighborhood. As you can see, the mountains of snow accumulated on their sidewalk. And tons of it. Oh my gosh. Lots of public buses still stuck on the road this morning when I came in here. So this is what it look like today. Mountains of snow, guys. So, since 2013 is really worse than today because 2013 had a freezing rate, which is lots of power lines are all down. Compared to this time, it's just snow and no power shutdown. So, but the snow is like mountains. Oh my goodness. So this is it, guys. The condition outside at the front yard and in the backyard. So as you can see, ito yung deck ni Mang Tebs. Ito yung itsura ng deck niya sa likuran. Mala Mountain of snow. The table is covered with snow. And that's the railings over there. So nice and sunny today, guys, but the view outside is overwhelming. The snow, the tons of snow. Oh my gosh. And here's the table over there. Hindi na gaano kalalim yung snow dyan sa ilalim ng mesa. And the neighborhood. Oh my gosh. Pwede ka na dito maggawa ng halo-halo. Millions of halo-halo, guys. pansit. Beautiful scenery, but lots of snow. Our cat here, Macy, hindi man lang siya makalabas dahil hanggang sa katawan niya yung snow pag nagdaan siya. See? Poor cat, it can't go out, right? Yeah? Can't go out outside. Sorry, Macy.
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. My breath, I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I try my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly, 'cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left.